Alright guys, so for today's warm-up we have 15 plus 5.7. We've been doing decimals for a while already, so we just want to go ahead and touch up a little more on them to make sure that we don't lose what we've been learning. So we have 15 plus 5.7. So we know that we want to line up the decimals first. There's no decimals right here, but if there's nothing to the right of it, we can always add a 0. So 15.0 is the same thing as 15. If you have $15, it's written as 15.00, but it's the same thing as saying just 15. So now that we have a decimal right there, we can line it up and just add it across. So we start from the right side. We have 7. 5 plus 5 makes 10. We got that right there. And then we drop that one down. Well, 1 plus 1, that makes 2. So 20.7 will be the answer for number 1. The second one, we're going to go ahead and rewrite that. 57 minus 19. Oops. There we go. 19.6. So same thing. We're going to go ahead and start with that decimal and the 0. And then we're going to go ahead and line up the decimal right here. 0 minus 6, we can't do that, so we're going to have to borrow from this side. So that's going to become a 6. That's going to become a 10. That's the circle, by the way. So 10 minus 6, that gives us 4. And then we can move on to this side since there's nothing else, since we're moving from the right to the left. If you take away 9 from 6, you get a negative number. We can't do that, so we're going to have to borrow from here. So that becomes a 4. That becomes 16. So 16 minus 9, that gives us 7. We got 4 minus 1, that gives us 3. So that would be the answer for number 2. Got that right there, and we got that one right there. Remember, the main thing you want to do, line up the decimals. If it's nothing to the right, you can go ahead and add a 0.